What's going on? I got my 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross here, and I'm going to check out the cabin filter. The cabin filter is going to be behind the glove box here. It's really simple to get to. All I'm going to do is, I'm going to take some of my stuff out so I don't get it everywhere. All I need to do is come over here. As you can see from the sides, there's these little brackets or whatever you want to call them. Okay, what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to pull the glove box. I'm gonna pull this piece past it. Okay, I'm gonna need to undo the glove box damper here, and all you got to do is pretty much pop it loose. It comes right off. Okay, and then the glove box pretty much just fall out just like that. It's pretty simple. It's not broke or anything. It's just it's made to do this. It's made to be serviced like this. Once you get it off, and you look in here. Now hopefully this saves you a little bit of money if you go and check this thing out yourself and do this filter change yourself. I'll leave a link down in the description box where you can get a filter if you want to change the filter yourself. Now mine doesn't have very many miles on it, so I'm not expecting it to be dirty, but there's a little bit of leaves in it. You can see there's some leaves in there, but the door comes off just like that. I mean, it's just these little clips. It just pops right off. Just take note of the airflow and check out what this thing looks like. And again, the car doesn't have that many miles. It's pretty clean. I'm not going to replace it right now. I don't even have one, but I just wanted to kind of see what was in here. You can see that, you get full of leaves and things like that. Kind of shake it out. And when you get your new one, you can just drop it right in there. And the cover just snaps on. Right on top of it. Yeah, and if you end up doing this service yourself, you'll save yourself minimum $60, because the dealers, they charge anywhere from $60 all the way up to $100 to do this. It's kind of crazy. So if this information was useful, do me a favor and drop me a comment, or hit that thumbs up button for me. All you gotta do is just put the glove box door back on. Just push it back on. Alright, and then push it right up. Go over here to the damper. Just, you can see that, but you're just going to pop it right back on. It's pretty simple. And that's it. Thanks for checking out the video. Bye.